back to JZ Plays. Today we're going to be doing the shotgun only challenge, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Battle bus, and we're going to be going right here actually. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, we're gliding in. Seems like there's a whole lot of people over here. Hopefully we can survive. Please give me a shotgun. You didn't. Wonderful. Okay, we found our first shotgun. I'll be using as a little off-brand sniper. About to have our first elimination, and there it is. Okay, I don't know what they're doing. They're making a whole edit course. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Oh! Oh man, I thought I had materials. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Or, again. Okay. Got this in the bag. No more dying. Even though I've only died once. Let's do it. We're going in. Trying to see if I can find... Okay, how did that not mark the actual item? Oh dear. Give me the iron. No, 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 no. Alright, we're gliding in, or coming in from the battle bus for the third time now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop, and let's see. I'm just gonna land here. Okay, gliding in. I'm not seeing. Oh, no, found one. Okay, we found our first shotgun. Okay. We have 3 shotguns now. Perfect. Where's this other guy? Okay, now we have the sniper shotgun. Oh man, I'm gonna have to chase them all the way up here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the sniper shotgun, or what I like to call the sniper shotgun, as you've seen, it's like its reticle is just so small, so you could shoot from a far distance. This one, the auto shotgun, it just keeps shooting over and over again. So that's good. This one, the thunder pump, it shoots two, what is it called? 2 ammo? I don't know if that's right, but it shoots 2 of the bullets. Oh, 2 of the bullets. Or 2 of the shells. I'm losing it right now. It shoots 2 of the shells at once it shoots. And it does a lot of damage, but it doesn't shoot as fast as the auto shotgun. And then an augment gives you the combat shotgun. Oh, that's outstanding. That's exactly what I need. An augment gives you the combat shotgun. I'm pretty sure it's called a combat army or combat assault. It's something like that. But yes, that gives you the combat shotgun. Then there's another one that you can buy from an NPC called the dub shotgun, which a lot of people have been saying that it makes you fly up in the sky. So hopefully I'll be able to get over here at Anvil and find that shotgun. There's a person right here. Amazing. That's wonderful. Okay, we're coming in from the battle bus one last time. Hopefully we can redeem ourselves. Gliding in to this house one more time. Hopefully this is the game where I don't instantly die. Perfect. We didn't get a shotgun. Oh, we did just now. And we got another one. Okay. Okay, I thought I just seen a person. It seems like it's a crow. Or is that a bike? I'm a little paranoid. People keep sneaking up on me. Oh no. Okay, somebody's over here. No, no, no. Please don't. Please stop. No. I'm sorry, guys, but I had to. I'm not dying again. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, let's just pretend that was the new hammer shotgun, okay? Because I did not just cheat. That did not happen. How is there only one? Oh, they're over here. Is that all the loot that they had? Some minis? Great, they had nothing. Wonderful. Okay, let's see what we can get from here. Alright, I'm never using that again. Wow. I wouldn't have picked it up either way it goes, even if I wasn't doing this challenge. Oh, another one? Thank you. Finally one that actually I can use. I can actually use. Ooh, I forgot about that. Probably definitely gonna need these double hammers. Woo. Okay. Alright, we've captured the flag. And it gave us nothing. Again. I kind of want to take this. Should I? Now I kind of want to take the chug splash. I'm not sure what to do. I'm gonna take it. Alright, time to get out of here. Where they just went. All I know is that they just flew on a rock. Okay, we found ourselves an auto shotgun. Sadly, we had to trade the... What is that? Shield potion. Okay. Hang on now. Hang on, hang on. I can build too, don't worry. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Just scared. Oh! Hey! We did it again! This time without cheating. There's one right there. Ah, no, now I see where I am. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Bye, guys. It's crazy. Come on. Whoa, what's happening? Oh! I'm sorry, what? My dad just got obliterated. I'm gonna take this. Ooh! Let's go. Put that in the middle. And actually, let me put this one right here. Supercharged. Oh, snap, I gotta move. Okay. If you guys didn't know, you could just drive through the jellyfish. Oh. Wow, they're supposed to give you your health. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm making way too much noise. I doubt that I'll need this right now. So, just gonna do that and do that. Okay.
Radio.
Nobody's over here. Don't turn around. Oh, come on. Why does everybody keep marking me? How do I not have storm mark? My gosh. Stop shooting me. You're just attracting yourself. You did all of that for what? Just to glide away? Now I want to find you. And kill you. Wait. Dang it! No! I was so close. I was so close. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Also, Obi-Wan is back. Oh, wow. All the stuff is back. Okay. Well, anyways. Bye, guys.